How to buy OpenFang token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going out by this token, make sure to check the community next. As you can see, they have 69 members there. Now keep following the community about their latest updates. And as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created just 8 hours ago, and as you can see, it's increased by 400% in less than 4 hours. This token, as you can see, it's available on the screener, and it's under this Solana network. Now, so what you need to do to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address like that, and open your functionality for that. And after that, what you need to do is just click here on swap. Now make sure to select the Solana token from the top, and here just click it, and now you can type in the search bar the token address. And as you can see, this also gonna click on it. So here you can type how much you want to buy like that, and here you will be able to see how much you receive per token. After that, scroll down, and you will be able to find here. So click on it, and after that, they will be able to redirect you to OKX or GB to provide your page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy OpenFang token. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.